Making your own applesauce is quick and easy. Applesauce doesn't need any added sugar, and it's better to leave in the peels as they're full of nutrients. You can mix all different types of apples together. These are the kinds we picked last weekend. First, rinse them off. You only need water, don't use soap. These are some tools for processing apples. You really don't need the first two. It's easier to just use a knife. First, cut the apple in half. Don't worry about the bruises. Just include everything unless there are rotten parts or a worm. Cut in half again and carefully remove the core from each piece. Slice into chunks. Here's another way to slice the apples. We prefer the first way because we waste a bit of apple this way. It is a bit faster though. Again, slice into chunks. Put the apples into a large pot with a lid, along with a couple of cinnamon sticks. We're doing a large quantity here, but you can use as many apples as you like, according to how many will fit into your pot. If your batch is small, just use 1 cinnamon stick. Add a 1/4 cup of water, cover, and turn the heat onto the lowest setting. Cooking the apples will take from 40 minutes to an hour. Every 5 minutes, stir the apples around to prevent burning. Then cover. Also check that there's some liquid at the bottom, and if not, add another 1/4 cup of water and stir. This will prevent the apples from burning. Homemade applesauce will last in the fridge for a week to 10 days, and it freezes well. After 40 minutes, check if they're soft using a fork. Once they're soft, take off the heat and remove the cinnamon sticks. Let the cooked apples cool a little bit before blending. It's safer that way. Apples are high in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, so applesauce makes the perfect healthy snack or breakfast. You'll need to stop blending and stir once or twice. Please click the thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Oops! Now we need to clean the camera. Your applesauce is ready! It's delicious on its own, and you can use it in baking or smoothies. If you enjoyed this video, we think you'll like this one too.